Um, this morning I'll just do like a very quick and short, precise trade, like a recap. However, I did not take the trade. We are on the daily time frame, and the I'm still very bullish on EU and GEO because we have this daily SMT that we are respecting, and this is the new day candle, and I was expecting bullish price action this morning. That's if I was even going to take any trade, and there was nothing I was looking forward to for price to you know to give this bearish price delivery. There was no reason for me to think that we would have a bearish delivery. However, sometimes you, as a trader, you have to be proactive. Like you don't have to just be rigid on your bias or whatnot of you. This is the 6 hour time frame right now, and you can see that this is a swing in which price swept those swing high. Yep. In which price swept the swing high, and on EU we have like an SMT on EU. These lows. We have SMT on EU, and here we have EU leaving fair value gaps, leaving imbalances, which makes the this is an inefficient price delivery. Why GU has been very slow, kind of like rebalancing every highs, every lows, and not leaving fair value gaps or inefficiencies. So, and this is 11 midnight. This is daily open. This is daily open, and this is just another candle that is. So from the 6 hour, using time frame alignment, from some research I saw from a trader on IG, it goes to 90 minutes time frame, and you can see 2 a.m. candle, which is London open. This is London open. You can see the volume of delivery we have on EU. Remember, we're coming from the 6 hour. We have a run above a swing high, and we closed back into that range, and we're going to a relatively 90 minutes candle, and this opening price is relatively aligned with the 2M candle, so I'll just leave that for that. And there's something, I actually noted this, but I didn't take any trade. This is yeah, sorry, yeah. In cases like this, remember this is our 6 hour open, which is 11 p.m. This is the opening. The ideal thing to look for is we want down close candles to be disrespected and up close candles to be respected, meaning we want bullish candles to be respected and used to send price lower, while bearish lows are invalidated. So I have this as an OB, and all of this down close candle, just ignore this tiny one. All of this down close candle, we want it also to be respected to send price lower. Price failed to trade into this other block. However, we created some form of consecutive uploads candles, and price respected that, just traded below this, running these lows, retraced back into this bearish order block and continued lower. And this was like a 2-hour trade, 2.5-hour trade. Stops above the relative, the swing high, and you want price to run. And we can see this is, the drop is massive, like but however, like I said, I was not expecting a bearish PA. I was not expecting a bearish price action today. So that's that. But right now, I like what we're saying on the daily time frame. We are trading into a daily fair value gap, which is, I would like this. We're trading into this daily fair value gap. I would want to see our price trades, how price reacts from this zone. I had this from last week as a reference area where I wanted price to reach into and reject. But right now we've taken previous days high, we've taken previous days low, and we're in this daily fair value gap right now. On GU, we do not have that corresponding day as an FVG, and you want to go to the 1 hour, you can see price coming into it, respecting it. We had some form of reaction, but that's not enough for us to say we'll trade higher. And I might not really have much of a high expectation for this fair value gap because the midpoint was not respected, which shows that potentially price may still continue to trade lower. So it is what it is. I have a Phase2 account right now, and there is no rush. The week is just starting. It's going to be a very, very busy week across in the market. It's going to be a very busy week. Monday is no news, no high impact news or regular news. On Tuesday there's red news by 10. However, on Wednesday we have FOMC press conference. So tomorrow might be a choppy day, maybe. On Thursday there's unemployment news, unemployment claims, core PCE, and on Friday there's NFP. So because of Friday, Thursday will also be messy. So I will just be taking it chill. I'll be looking to make reactions. Probably not. I just started chatting with 6 hour. I don't use it before. And 90 minutes. I don't use it. However, I've been saying that there's a way you can use it to map daily distribution. It is very, very nice. You can see, looking at this one, this is on Tuesday, and we have this dip into the fair value gap, closed above it, then a continuation for longs. Very nice, very nice. So also, yeah, fair value gap, dip into the fair value gap, continuation higher, which is 5 AM candle. So that was it for now. Peace out, and